Good morning once again. Let's take a look at what's currently happening in the weather. It is a cloudy day in KwaZulu-Natal and also the Eastern Cape, with a possibility of showers and rain throughout the day in that area. And then towards the afternoon, we are expecting thunderstorms in the eastern half of the country, including Gauteng, as well as parts of northwest, the Free State, and also along the eastern escarpment. And then towards this evening, more showers along the east coast and the adjacent interior. And it will also become foggy along the west coast of South Africa overnight and in the early hours of tomorrow morning. So the rainfall map for the afternoon shows scattered thunderstorms across Gauteng and into eastern South Africa, as well as along the east coast, with showers and rain in that area, as well as a possibility of a morning drizzle in the Overberg. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning today for a high fire danger in the western part of the country, where runaway fires are possible. And it is unfortunately another very hot day in central South Africa, where the heat wave continues today in parts of northwest, the Free State, and also the Northern Cape, and this will persist until Thursday. And then also watch for severe thunderstorms that covers parts of Gauteng, northwest, and the Free State today. This does not mean all the thunderstorms will be severe, but there is a possibility of some severe thunderstorms in these provinces. Now let's quickly discuss severe thunderstorms. A severe thunderstorm is any thunderstorm that produces large amounts of small hail, large hail or damaging winds, and in extreme cases even tornadoes, and also heavy downpours that can lead to flash floods. And we have to remember, every thunderstorm has the potential to become a severe thunderstorm. Now this afternoon we expect thunderstorms across the northeastern part of the country and in Gauteng, a maximum of 31 in Pretoria, 29 in Johannesburg, very hot in the western half of northwest with 40 in Vryburg and 36 in Mahikeng. Thunderstorms also for the Lowveld today, as well as in Mpumalanga. And the heat wave continues in the western half of the Free State, 37 today in Bloemfontein and Welkom, as well as showers and thunderstorms in KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. This afternoon, a maximum temperature of 26 in Khumani, 22 in Mthatha. And along the east coast of South Africa, a possibility of thunderstorms as well along the coastline of KwaZulu-Natal, with showers along the Eastern Cape coastline, 24 expected today in Port Elizabeth, East London and Port St. John's, with a southerly swell of 1.5 meters. And also a possibility of thunderstorms this afternoon in Graafrenet and Somerset East. It's going to be hot in the Western Cape, 33 in Worcester and 32 in Robertson, with a possibility of morning rain in the Overberg, including parts of the South Coast, 23 in Mossel Bay, 25 in Plettenberg Bay, with a fresh to strong easterly wind along the south coast today, as well as a southerly swell of 2.5 meters. And a sunny and hot day for the Northern Cape, especially in the eastern half of the province. 40 expected in Uppington, Kimberley and Prieska. It is also hot in Sutherland today with a maximum of 30, and a warm day for Cape Town as well, with an afternoon temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and a moderate westerly wind today along the west coast with a southerly swell of 3 meters. And then tomorrow afternoon there is a possibility of more thunderstorms across the eastern half of the country, including the east coast of South Africa, 28 in Durban, 30 in Richards Bay, but sunny and dry weather that continues over the western part of the country. 37 tomorrow in Dar, 41 expected in Kimberley as that heat wave continues. But tomorrow there is a possibility of light rain in Cape Town from the afternoon onwards, with a maximum temperature of 28. That's where I leave your weather for now, but I will be back in the next hour with more live weather.